Mink fur production in factory settings is a process that involves various steps, from breeding and raising the mink to the harvesting and processing of the fur. The industry operates on a large scale where thousands of mink are housed in specialized farms designed to maximize efficiency and fur quality. Mink farming is a highly regulated industry in many countries, ensuring that standards are met for both animal welfare and product quality. The process begins with the careful selection of breeding stock. Mink farmers choose the healthiest and most genetically superior mink to produce offspring with desirable fur traits. The breeding season for mink typically occurs in early spring, with females giving birth about 6 weeks after mating. Mink kits, as the young are called, are born blind and hairless, requiring significant care from their mothers. They are housed in small wire cages that allow for easy monitoring and maintenance. These cages are often part of larger structures known as fur sheds, which provide shelter from extreme weather conditions while ensuring proper ventilation to prevent disease. Mink are carnivorous animals, and their diet is carefully managed to enhance fur quality. They are fed a high-protein diet consisting of fish, poultry, and meat byproducts. The food is typically prepared as a wet mash and delivered to the animals through automated feeding systems. Proper nutrition is crucial, as it directly affects the health of the mink and the density, color, and overall quality of their fur. Farmers work with veterinarians and animal nutritionists to formulate diets that optimize growth and fur development. As the mink grow, they go through molting cycles where their fur develops into a thick, luxurious coat. This process is closely monitored, and farmers ensure that the animals remain in optimal condition. The mink are generally kept in individual cages to prevent fighting and injury, as their aggressive nature can lead to damaged fur. Farm workers routinely inspect the animals for signs of illness or stress, implementing measures to maintain their well-being. The mink are typically harvested in late fall or early winter when their fur reaches peak quality. The process of euthanization is carried out using methods that minimize suffering. The most common method employed is carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide gas chambers, which are considered humane by industry standards. The mink are placed in enclosed chambers where they lose consciousness quickly before passing away. This method is preferred because it ensures the fur remains undamaged, preserving its value. Once the mink are euthanized, the pelting process begins. This involves removing the fur from the carcass with precision to maintain its integrity. Skilled workers use specialized tools to make precise incisions, carefully peeling the skin away from the body. The pelts are then cleaned and prepared for further processing. The remaining carcasses are often repurposed as animal feed or fertilizer, minimizing waste. After the pelts are removed, they undergo a series of treatments to enhance their appearance and durability. The first step is fleshing, where any remaining fat or tissue is scraped off the hide. This is done using machines or by hand, depending on the scale of the operation. The clean pelts are then stretched onto wooden or metal boards to dry, ensuring they retain their shape. They are left to dry in climate-controlled rooms for several days to prevent shrinkage or damage. Once dried, the pelts are graded based on quality. Factors such as fur density, color, and texture are considered when sorting the pelts into different categories. High-quality pelts are highly sought after and command premium prices in the fur market. Skilled graders with extensive experience examine each pelt, determining its value and potential use in the fashion industry. The next step in the process is tanning, which preserves the fur and makes it suitable for garment production. The pelts are soaked in chemical solutions that soften the leather while maintaining the fur's natural sheen. This process prevents decay and ensures the fur remains supple. Tanning can take several weeks and involves multiple steps, including soaking, oiling, and stretching. The final product is a durable, high-quality pelt ready for use in fashion and textile industries. Once tanned, the pelts may undergo dyeing or further treatment to meet specific fashion demands. Some furs are dyed to achieve uniformity in color, while others are left in their natural state. Dyeing is done using non-toxic, industry-approved chemicals to maintain the integrity of the fur. The treated pelts are then sent to furriers and manufacturers who craft them into coats, hats, gloves, and other luxury items. Throughout the entire process, mink farms adhere to strict regulations to ensure ethical practices. Many countries have implemented welfare standards that dictate cage sizes, feeding practices, and euthanasia methods. Additionally, some regions have banned or restricted fur farming due to concerns over animal rights and environmental impact. In response to growing scrutiny, Some fur producers have adopted sustainable practices, including waste reduction and alternative tanning methods that minimize chemical use. Fur auctions play a crucial role in the industry, where buyers from around the world gather to purchase high-quality mink pelts. These auctions are held in major fur trading centers, such as North America and Europe. The pelts are displayed, and buyers place bids based on their quality and market demand. The highest quality furs often go to luxury fashion houses, where they are crafted into high-end garments. Despite the long-standing tradition of mink farming, the industry faces increasing pressure from animal rights groups and shifting consumer preferences. The demand for ethical and sustainable alternatives has led to the rise of faux fur, which mimics the look and feel of real mink fur without involving animal farming. Some fashion brands have also pledged to phase out real fur from their collections in response to public concerns. However, mink fur remains a sought-after material in certain markets, valued for its warmth, durability, and luxurious texture. Civet coffee, or Kopi Luwak, is one of the most expensive and unique coffees in the world. Its production process is distinct from regular coffee, as it involves the digestion and fermentation of coffee cherries by civets, small nocturnal mammals native to Southeast Asia. This process enhances the coffee's smoothness and aroma, making it highly sought after. The process begins with sourcing high-quality coffee cherries. Civets selectively consume the ripest cherries, and their digestive enzymes break down proteins, removing bitterness while fermenting the beans in their stomachs. After digestion, the civets excrete the partially processed coffee beans, which are then carefully collected by workers. The beans are thoroughly washed to remove residue, and then sun-dried to reduce moisture content, preventing mold growth. After drying, the outer parchment layer is removed through hulling, revealing the green coffee beans inside. These beans are sorted based on size, shape, and quality, ensuring only the best beans proceed to roasting. Roasting is a crucial step, as it defines the coffee's final flavor. Light to medium roasting is often preferred to highlight the unique flavors developed during fermentation. After roasting, the beans are cooled and either ground or packaged as whole beans, depending on consumer preference. To maintain freshness, the coffee is sealed in airtight, nitrogen-flushed packaging. Quality control is essential throughout the process. Factories conduct sensory evaluations, moisture content analysis, and microbial testing to ensure high standards. Expert coffee tasters, or cuppers, assess the aroma, acidity, body, and overall flavor profile. Any batch that does not meet strict quality criteria is discarded or used for lower-grade blends. Once packaged, Civet coffee is distributed to retailers, specialty coffee shops, and online markets worldwide. Due to its rarity and labor-intensive production, it commands a high price, often reaching hundreds to thousands of dollars per kilogram. Ethical concerns surrounding Civet coffee have led to increased demand for cruelty-free, wild-sourced beans rather than those from caged civets. The production of Civet coffee blends traditional and modern techniques to ensure top quality. From selective feeding to meticulous processing, roasting, and packaging, each step plays a crucial role in delivering this exclusive coffee. Despite ethical debates, Civet coffee remains one of the most luxurious and distinctive coffees available, prized for its smooth texture and rare origin. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care and keep exploring. See you soon.